part 1, we talk about how AI will definitely impact your current role and even your PR prospect. In this episode, we are going to talk about which roles are actually AI-proof and how you can stay competitive in Singapore's future economy. So what jobs are actually safe for now? Healthcare, education, green economy, digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and elder care are some of the most resilient sectors identified by Ministry of Manpower and supported in the Industry Transformation Map 2025. For instance, Singapore's Green Plan aims to create 55,000 new jobs in sustainability-related roles by year 2030. Similarly, cybersecurity talent demand has grown over 40% in the last 3 years with government incentives supporting growth in this space. ICEA considers whether your role contributes to the future of Singapore economy and whether if your role is aligned with national goal that makes your profile more appealing. Now let's take a step further to talk about how to future-proof your PR profile. First up, upskill regularly. You may try to take courses in emerging fields such as data analytics, AI literacy, ESG, which stands for environmental, social and governance, digital marketing, and fintech compliance. These are not just industry relevant, but reflects adaptability. Some of the learning platforms that you may consider includes SG Innovate, NTU, NUS, or even SMU executive programs, or even Coursera. Next up, show clear career growth. ICEA likes stability and upwards movement. So if you're getting a promotion, increment in your salary, or even taking up leadership role, all this will be very beneficial for your PR application. Lastly, and more importantly, engage with local networks. By participating in industry group, professional association, or even doing volunteering works with different charity organizations, this will help to showcase your long-term intent and your commitment in Singapore. Here's a bonus tip for you. While you're putting in so much effort in future-proofing your career and your PR profile, yet you may not adequately representing all this information in your PR submission. Now, that's a total waste. You may try to go at it yourself, but the better way to do it is, of course, to work with a group of professionals, just like the immigration people, who has combined experience of more than 45 years in Singapore immigration matters. By working with us, we will craft a thorough cover letter that talks about how your career is aligned with Singapore's future economy and hence greatly increase your chances of PR approval. The future of work is changing, but the fundamental of PR approval remain the same. Whether you're in tech, nursing, or sustainability, it is important to future-proof your career, grow your contribution, and stay aligned with what Singapore stands for. Thanks for watching. So, what do you really think about AI replacing some of the jobs? Let us know in the comment box below. If you wish to find out more about Singapore immigration matters, remember to visit our website at tip.com.sg. Share if you find this episode useful, and remember to subscribe if you have not done so. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.